Hi and welcome to CAS133. This is the text we'll be using in the class. How the class is structured is each chapter is set up as a tutorial, and so kind of the white-ish pages have you go through in detail how to work through whatever's being covered for that particular week. Now that stuff is just for your use. You don't turn that in, so don't try to upload that because it's not due. At the end of the chapter, if you go to the end of the chapter, so for example in the Word chapter 1, if you look at your text, all the tutorial stuff goes through page WD 54, and then and sort of the blue pages, which start on page WD 55, are the actual assignments, and they're listed by the type. So you're going to be doing the review assignment and case problem 1, case problem 2, and case problem 3. Those are the ones you're going to do, and you'll upload those to the site, and I'll give you upload areas for each one of those. Make sure you put the review in the review, and case 1 in case 1, etc. And you'll notice, if you look at, for example, sometimes you start from scratch in a brand new document, and sometimes you start with one that I'll provide you, and I'll provide you all the data files that you need to do the work. So if you look on, for example, page WD 55 for the review assignment, it says data files needed for review assignment, flower.docx and mixedflowers.jpg. So I'll give you those two documents, and you'll use those to do your work, and you'll make whatever changes you make, and you'll upload it. For example, for case problem number 1 on page WD 56, on the other hand, it says there's no data files needed for this case problem. So that means you're just going to upload that document, but you'll start from scratch. And that's basically how it goes. Now, it's important to know that I'm not really looking for perfection. I'm looking for effort. So sometimes there'll be sort of minor problems that aren't a big deal, and I'm not going to make you redo it. So don't get too worked up about making it exactly right. I just want it to be mostly right, just so you get the concepts that are involved with that. And generally, not generally, what'll happen, I think, except for the first week, you'll have basically a week to do the work. So if I assign something on a Monday, you've got until the following Monday to complete it. And I encourage you not to get to prevent getting frustrated, is that if you have a question or you don't understand something or how to do something, that you email me, and I will try to respond quickly and get you that information so you can proceed with the next step in the process. The other thing I want to encourage you to do is to make sure to stay current. Don't wait till the end of week 3 to start doing the work, because the work builds on itself, and so if you're not catching up with week 1 of Word, you're going to be kind of lost in week 2. So it is to your benefit to get the stuff done as soon as possible. In fact, if you turn it in late, you're subject to penalties for late assignments. A week should be more than enough time to get that done. So that is sort of the structure of the class. If you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks. Bye.